Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to clean an Xbox One full guide. Start by powering off and unplugging the console, then detach controllers, disks, and external drives before you touch any ports or vents. Use a soft microfiber cloth for surfaces and a can of compressed air for vents and crevices. Keep screws and small parts organized in a tray. Move slowly and avoid liquids near openings to protect internal components. Gently wipe the outside case with a slightly damp microfiber cloth, focusing on fingerprints and smudges while avoiding vents and ports. For stubborn grime, mix a tiny amount of mild dish soap in distilled water and apply it to the cloth, not the console. Dry immediately with a clean, dry cloth. Clean controller grips and battery compartments separately, removing batteries first and checking for corrosion or sticky residue around buttons. Blow out vents and ports with short bursts of compressed air while holding the can upright, keeping a safe distance to avoid freezing components. Use a soft bristled brush to gently dislodge dust from fan grills and USB ports, then follow with another light air burst. If the console is extremely dusty, consider a partial disassembly only if you are comfortable and have the right tools. Always keep screws labeled and grounded on an anti-static mat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.